Here are 5 ways to get the most out of college open house. First, it's very important to attend more than one info session, whether it be financial aid sessions or fairs where there's literally so many different clubs and organizations that are there to tell you all the things that they've done in the past and things they're going to do in the future. You may be shy, but this is your opportunity to talk to key people. For example, on my first visit here, I was able to talk to the head of my major. That really changed the way I thought about what is going to be offered to me as a student. Most of your time is definitely going to be on the college campus, but it's also important for you to get off campus and go see what's around you. For example, Lewisburg, very nice town. There's so many cool little things you can do. Eating lunch with your friends or even going hiking somewhere. Take the time to talk to some students, people that actually go to this university. They may be able to give you some insight on what their experience is like and some things that you may look forward to while you're here on campus. I know a lot's going on, but it's important for you to just slow down, take a deep breath, and just figure out what are some of the positives and negatives about this campus, and can you see yourself here? These tips will definitely put you on the right path for making the most out of a college open house.